Hi there, Pam here with another quick episode of the Perfect Balance Kitchen Confidential. You know, I hear from people all the time, I just don't have time to make veg. It takes too long. That's why I always make a huge batch, because literally I'll have the same thing, but now you have like the same thing for lunch, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because I'm usually so busy during the day that it's nice to have things pre-made. Today, I cooked a ton of broccoli, maybe 6 crowns. I cooked them and then put them in the fridge because I really don't like raw broccoli. Some people do, I can't do that. I'm gonna add some thinly sliced red onion, some apple, probably 2 apples because it's gonna be a huge salad. My very favorite honey goat cheese, Trader Joe's. I have a bag of arugula left over from this weekend. Again, Trader Joe's, but I'm gonna add this in too. And then for more crunch, I also have a bag of shredded cabbage. Now, I'm a little bit lazy. I could buy a whole green cabbage and chop it up. I don't want to. I put all that stuff together. I dice up the apple. I dice up the onion. I break the goat cheese in little pieces. And then my dressing is cilantro, almond milk, garlic, mustard, a little stevia. Sometimes I put pistachios in. It gives it a nice little flavor, sometimes not. The recipe for this salad called broccoli crunch salad is on my website, www.theperfectbalance.guru. But don't tell yourself you don't have time to make veg. You can take the time because it took 10 minutes to steam the broccoli. And then it might take an extra, I'm guessing, 3 minutes to chop up all the veg, and maybe another minute or 2 for the dressing. That is 3 or 4 days worth of veg in less than 10 minutes. So you absolutely can do it. Your body will love it. It's super colorful, which colorful food always makes me happy. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth.